In 2020, Microsoft will no longer support Windows Mobile and Windows CE in 2021. 15 million computers that have been running on these operating systems have a choice to make. Stick with an operating system that has no security updates and no new apps that will be compatible, or move to an operating system that delivers a secure, flexible, and unified platform that's easy to manage and future-proof. Are you ready to risk a data breach to remain with Windows Mobile or CE? The average cost of a data breach is $3.62 million and $141 for each lost or stolen record. Will it cost you to migrate to a different operating system? Not as much as it will cost you to wait. Lowry Solutions is ready to navigate your enterprise efficiently through OS migration. Step by step, we'll evaluate your processes and create a roadmap. You'll have expert guidance for identifying hardware needs, rewriting enterprise apps as needed, deploying, testing, and optimizing your infrastructure. As a Zebra Premier partner, Lowry Solutions combines our own resources and expertise with the global leader in rugged mobile technology. Your business relies on mobility. Don't let Microsoft's decision leave you stuck. Talk to Lowry Solutions about making the OS migration to Android.